Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing Labubu Santa, so let's get started. To draw this cute Santa Claus, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a big wide curve. And then I'm going to come under it and draw kind of like this ovalish shape all the way down. Nice and big, and come right back up. And then we're going to go inside and draw a complete oval right into this space, right in the center. And now that I have my oval, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come right here and put in 2 small circles for highlights and a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And let's go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag this point across, say about this wide, and we're going to go ahead and draw the same thing on the other side. There. So now I have the eyes in, let's come in between the eyes and we're going to draw the little nose. So I'm going to draw a curve right here in the center and connect it in the center. There. And then let's go ahead and draw that big smile. So I'm going to come to the center of the eye, approximately about right here, and I'm going to come out, give myself a point, and same thing on the other side. So with those 2 points, I'm going to go ahead and connect it with this big curve right underneath the eyes to create this huge smile. There. And so now that we have that, let's draw some teeth. So I'm going to find the center and I'm going to draw 4 teeth on this side, 3 and 4. And then on this side, we need to put in 5. 2, 3, and then 2 smaller ones right about here. So now that we have all that, let's come back and frame the face. So I'm going to use this as my guide. I'm going to come out past this smile. So let's say about right here. And same thing on the other side, approximately. And I'm going to go ahead and draw this ovalish shape around and close to the teeth. There. So I'm going to go ahead and just keep going all the way around. And same thing on this side. There. And then now that I have that, I'm going to come out. So I'm just going to come out, let's say about right here. Just give myself a point. Same thing about approximately. And once again, we're going to go out and around. So as I create this curve here and there, I'm just going to zigzag a little bit. Just to give our Labubu some little bit of fluff so it looks furry. And I'm going to go ahead and just bring this curve all the way down. So it's much narrower towards the bottom. There. Okay, so now that we have all that, let's go ahead and we're going to connect this all with this big curve. I'm going to go right over the eyes, go all the way across to the other side. And whatever space you have left, just fill it in. So now that I have this curve up, I'm going to go ahead and start the Santa's hat. So I'm going to come right here and wobble. And as I wobble, I'm coming in a little bit. So just keep that in mind. We're wobbling in. And now that we have this about the same height, let's go ahead and connect it with a curve. There. And then we need to draw the top of the hat. So let's go up. So we're coming in a little bit and go up towards the center. So is your highest peak about right here. And then we're going to start to come down. But as we come down, we're coming out a little bit because about right here in the center area, I'm just going to go ahead and draw this curve, wobble a little bit right here and come in. So then this curve is going to come out. So this is the tail of our hat. And let's say about right here. Go ahead and connect it. The curve, and then we're going to need to draw the little white ball at the end. Just give it a little zigzag just to make it look extra fluffy. Okay, so now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here where the eyes are, maybe on the sides, and I'm just going to draw a curve on both sides. About right there. And then I'm going to come in a little bit, say about right here, skip a little bit of space. And I'm going to draw a curve coming down on both sides. So this is going to be the body. Let's bring it down a little bit more. And so then from there, let's go ahead. You know what? Let's draw the arms. So I'm going to come right about here. I'm going to bring this down, in, then pop this part out, and then the tiny little Labubu hands. So I'm just going to make 3 curves. So same thing on the other side. Just drag this point across, and approximately about right here. Same thing. Pop this out, and the tiny hands. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's come back to the center. So I want my belt about right here. So I'm going to come back into the center area. Let's say about right here. And I'm going to draw this rectangle. So I know my center is here, so that's my guide to try and make this rectangle. To put it right in the center. And then I'm going to come in here and put in another rectangle. And so that's my center. Then let's come back right here. And I'm going to draw a straight line down. Then let's come back right about here. And we're just going to draw a curve to connect this buckle. And then another curve to create and finish the belt. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let's bring this down a little bit. And so let's say about right there. I think that's long enough. We're going to go ahead and let's come back right here. Sorry. Let's draw another line on both sides. So then we're going to continue this line. And we're going to curve and go up slightly. So same thing here. Just bring this down, curve, and connect. And then we're just going to bring this down, pop this part out, and connect. So same thing here. There. So we got the little Santa coat on, and then let's come back to the center. Just going to draw a line, and so we're going to start the leg. So about right here, just zigzag a little bit, bring it in. Same thing here. And here. And let's go ahead and draw a curve right here for the boot. And connect. So same thing on the other side. There. So now that we're pretty much done, let's spoof it up with some accessories. So I thought it'd be really cute. Let's add a candy cane right here. So I'm going to come about right here. Draw a curve going through the belt, coming out. And let's thicken this candy cane up. And connect. And then, of course, let's put in some of these stripes. Just going to curve right there. And last thing, of course, let's add a heart right here. Nice big one for our Santa Labubu. There. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this and that I brought a smile to your day and that I helped you draw this cute Labubu for Christmas. Thanks so much for watching, and if I helped you, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.